Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore 4 essential drinks that can help flush toxins from your system. But first, why is this important? Well, our bodies encounter pollutants daily, affecting our overall well-being. 1. Water. Let's start with the most fundamental water. Consume at least 8 cups a day to support kidney function and aid digestion. Water, your body's best friend. Pro tip: infuse your water with a splash of lemon for added detox benefits. 2. Green tea. Next up, green tea. Packed with antioxidants, it aids in metabolism and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A powerful sip towards a healthier you. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice, not just for urinary health. It's a natural detoxifier, preventing harmful bacteria from clinging to your cells. A tasty defense mechanism. Common pain point: many overlook cranberry juice's potential. Make it a habit to include it in your diet. Pro tip: opt for unsweetened cranberry juice to minimize added sugars. 4. Detox smoothie. Now, let's blend in a detox smoothie. Include ingredients like kale, spinach, berries, and a dash of ginger. This nutrient-packed concoction aids digestion and supports your immune system. Step by step, blend 1 cup kale, 1 cup spinach, a half cup berries, and a thumb-sized ginger with water. Pro tip: prep smoothie packs in advance for a quick, daily detox fix. There you have it, 4 drinks to regularly flush your system. Start incorporating these into your routine for a healthier you. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this information valuable. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, take care of your body, and remember, your health is your wealth.